Welcome back. 5/8/26 Bitcoin update. This week we're doing it a little different than we have. We've got mainly we're just going to kind of run analysis through the actual charts here. Just kind of we'll go from there. This is looking at the week that we've just gone through. We've noticed some interesting things this week from as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So let's kind of take a deeper look here. These are 15-minute increments when we look at these. That's a Thursday. So if we're looking at these candlesticks, these are, and each one of these is what we're referring to. This is following the ebbs and flows of the Bitcoin market through the week. It seems to be it's a pretty average week, I would say. So other than the fact that gold and silver and Bitcoin have gone up this week, so we're kind of going from that standpoint. And anyway, let's zoom in just a little bit. Let's see. So this is going back to, that's Tuesday about 4 a.m. It was, we've seen a red candle here about 80,378, and then let's move forward a little bit more and we see it climbing. We got a green candle over here. This one is approximately 9:30 a.m. on Tuesday. It's 81,705, and then we see it kind of climbing up, and we hit a huge peak, which is Wednesday 7:15 in the morning. It goes to 82,811, and that's on, this is Tuesday 7 in the morning. So, and then from there, like I said, these ebbs and flows, it takes a dip, but it has been significance here is that it's been a while since we've actually been up to 82,000 in Bitcoin. So we're kind of flowing back down, and then from there, this is another dip. It's not as high, or it did dip, but it's a peak which was 81,693, still below the 82,000 we hit on Wednesday morning. And then we come all the way across to Saturday, or this is Friday evening. Looks like it's 18:10 in the evening, and we're somewhere in the neighborhood of 80,000. So this week's been interesting. Just wanted to bring that up and show it to you a little bit differently. These are, like I said, 15-minute increments, and it's kind of looking at it instead of day by day. We're looking at more of a week scenario here from this aspect. And like I said, Bitcoin's gone up, gold has gone up, silver's gone up. I'm not sure of other things that have gone up this week, but those are definitely things I've been following, and so those are of significance. And this is roughly, it's beginning of May 2026, so we'll see what's going to happen. Are we going to, are we out of the Bitcoin or crypto winter? Are we going to see some positive movement in the markets throughout the summer, and do the economics of the other things happening in our country and the world affect us? We're looking for positive industrialization this year, or move towards that with AI and the development of the chips, microchips in our country. We're trying to bring back some of that to the country. There's a lot more to that. I think that, I don't know that it's going to happen all at once. So it's probably going to take time, because as we look at some of those videos, the ASML, we see that it's a very finicky product, and it, you only get a percentage of positive momentum out of those. It's harder and takes more time. So it's very expensive, takes a lot of time in the development process and the quality of those products. building microchips. So you don't get, as far as success rate, it's a lot of time involved, and success definitely has something to do with learning, I guess. And it's not just something that happens here in the U.S. This is a global initiative. People around the globe have the knowledge, and they share that knowledge, and some of the bigger companies are involved in that, and they spread that wealth throughout the industry. And it's not just technology, but it's multiple industries, because it seems that everything's using microchips these days, and it has to do with the development of how our world is going to move forward and how we're going to get us into the future. So you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by.